In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome history permanently. When people say permanently, they usually mean making your browsing history disappear from Chrome and any devices that sync with your Google account. That's exactly what we'll do here. Keep in mind, though, I'll also give you a quick reality check at the end so you know what this really covers. Start on your computer and open Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner and click the three dots. In that menu, choose the option to delete browsing data. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might see it labeled as Clear Browsing Data, and it may appear under History or under Privacy and Security. Either way, you're in the right place once a panel opens asking what to clear and over what time range. Set the time range to all time. That ensures you're not just clearing the last hour or last week, but everything stored by Chrome on this browser profile. Next, make sure the following items are selected: browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. Here's what each choice does, so you know what to expect. Browsing history removes the list of sites you've visited and the entries that appear when you start typing in the address bar. Cookies and site data sign you out of most websites and clear site-specific preferences, which is useful if you want a clean slate. Cached images and files remove locally saved copies of pages and media. This can free up space and help ensure older versions of pages aren't sticking around, though some sites may load a bit slower the first time you visit them again. Once those three are checked, click Delete Data. Give Chrome a moment to process. If you use Chrome Sync with a Google account, this action removes your browsing history from Chrome across your sync devices, so you won't see it on your phone or other computers that share the same profile. Now for that reality check. Deleting here removes your visible history from Chrome, which is what most people need. However, traces of data can still exist on your device's storage and might be recoverable with specialized tools. Also, this doesn't erase records kept by the websites you visited, your internet service provider, or logs on remote servers. Think of this as clearing your local Chrome footprint and anything synced to your Chrome profile, not wiping the internet's memory. That's it. You've cleared Chrome's history as thoroughly as Chrome allows, and you know exactly what that does and doesn't cover.